20 एप्रिल 2023 या दिसा राजपत्रांत अधिसुचोवणी काढून मोरजेची ऑर्चार्ड जमनीचे रूपांतरण सेटलमेंट झोन करपाक सरकारान मान्यताय दिल्या। ती बेगोबेग फाटी घेवची अशी मागणी गोंय तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन केल्या। हे सरकार दुरुस्तेच्या नावार गोयचो नाश करपाक उठला असो आरोपूय गोंय तृणमूल काँग्रेसीन केला।
एक साइड आनी बोरवेल घालून कोणाक लागून दिताय ते आनी यू आर करेक्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑर्चर्ड टू सेटलमेंट, फ्रॉम good to bad, bad to worse. What is this correction you're talking about? This is a murder of our environment. It is a murder of biodiversity. It is the murder of the Goan livelihood. They want the water in that area. आता मोरजीचो लोक आमी थंय वचून पळयल्या, येवक बी कोणेन घेतला पळय तो प्लॉट, ताणें लोकांचे खूब लोकांचे थंयसर घरां रुमां भाड्याक घेतल्या आनी लोकांक थंय दवरल्यात कामाक रावपाक। पूण ते लोक कशे आहात? आज कितले पैसे म्हणून कितले दिस करतले तूं? कोण म्हणटा द एंटायर इस्तांबूल पार्टी वॉज हेल्ड बाय दीज पीपल। व्हॉट इज हॅपनिंग एंड व्हॉट इज दिस गव्हर्नमेंट ट्रायंग टू डू? हर घर जल द TCP मिनिस्टर on 2022 when there was a complaint about hill cutting in this on the same plot on the slope, he said, I have instructed the TCP to immediately take action. So this is action. मुझे एक फायलान नाक दामप आणि दुसरे वरून तोंड उडप. So this is what this government, and they are all involved in this. There is no particular, everywhere there is going to be, there is destruction going on. Everywhere there are complaints of fields being filled up. But this is such a case, a shocking case. You are correcting a situation which is a good situation into a worse situation. And that is for what? To fill the pockets of the people in power. With such scenario, what are we trying to keep for posterity? Give Goa to our younger generation, a destroyed, a corrupted, and immoral. I don't want to talk on other things that are happening. I will take that as a separate subject. Goa is ruined morally. Goa's beauty is being ruined. Goa's environment is being ruined. And all this is done by the government of today that is in power. TMC demands that if this government has got a conscience of saving Goa, withdraw this gazette notification, which 60,000 square meters almost has been converted from orchard to settlement. Bring it back to orchard.